Doctors at Ochsner LSU Health and Willis-Knighton say they've seen an increase in patients, testing, and vaccinations.
Yes, at Willis-Knighton, we're seeing a significant increase in hospitalizations. On the 20th, we had 12 patients in the hospital with COVID infection. As of this morning, it's 30.
In some of the worst cases, patients are on ventilators.
There are a few people on ventilators. I think the last number that Tina shared with me in Shreveport was 20 people hospitalized with COVID compared to 7 last week.
A little less than a third of the patients that we have in the hospital are in the intensive care unit.
They say with holiday travel, one single case can cause an uptick in infected people, which can bring forth breakthrough cases for those who are fully vaccinated.
So it's not a surprise that we're seeing some breakthrough infections like we have with prior variants. And again, related to the amount of virus that is produced in a person who is infected makes it much more transmissible.
Statewide, in the most recent data from the Louisiana Department of Health says 85% of people are hospitalized and 82% of deaths are in people who are unvaccinated.
It tells you that there's a widespread activity of this virus in our community.
Both doctors encourage people to stay home if they're not feeling well and get vaccinated or boosted. Alicia Gatewood, NBC6 News.